Today, I'm going to prove to you that you can be hypnotized in under 10 seconds. You might be skeptical, you might not be. If you don't know anything about me, my name is Johanna Dinsdale and I have been doing hypnosis for over 6 years now. I studied at the University of Toronto to get certified. I'm also a qualifying psychotherapist. You can see all these degrees back here, which gives you confidence that I know what I'm talking about. And with every word that I'm saying, you're starting to notice some anticipation building up. You clicked on this video because you want to get hypnotized right away. So choose right now whether or not you want to get hypnotized. And be warned, do not listen to this while operating heavy machinery or whilst driving. Only listen where it is safe for you to relax and to fall asleep. Only people with a powerful imagination can get hypnotized, so take a look at this makeup brush. Let's pretend together that this is in fact a magical hypnotic makeup brush. And the more that you look at it, moving around with every move side to side, you're starting to feel more and more relaxed, more and more at ease. As if this brush is just wiping away all of your worries and fears, because your imagination is so powerful. You can easily do that and imagine this magical brush just brushing away lightly, maybe over your face. You can imagine those bristles brushing up against your skin, feeling nice and tingly and gentle. And in a moment or two, I'm just going to slowly move it towards the camera, just like this. And you notice the closer it gets, the more deeply and deeply relaxed you get. More and more relaxed, more and more at ease, feeling so good and relaxed and gentle. And when this touches the camera, you're going to go very deep into hypnosis. You're going to close your eyes down, 3, 2, 1, and down, all the way down. Very good. Feeling relaxed, feeling at ease. Just allowing that feeling to grow as you sink even deeper down into hypnosis. It's almost as though your body, every inch, every cell is ready to relax. Due to your powerful imagination, you can just imagine a wave of relaxation, like a giant makeup brush is calmly, gently brushing over you now from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. That nice tingling, wonderful sensation as it brushes over you so lightly, softer than kitty fur, nice and gentle. Very good. And with every word that I say, you're noticing that feeling of nice, gentle relaxation going all the way down, gently and easily into this nice, relaxing feeling. And the more that you try to resist, the deeper into hypnosis you go. It's so automatic for you. There's nothing else to do, nowhere to go but to relax and to feel completely at comfort, completely at ease. You know that this is your time to truly relax and be in the present moment. And the more that you drift on down and down, perhaps you are starting to notice that feeling of relaxation is almost like a warm light coming from your heart, spreading from your heart outwards. This nice warming feeling is starting to cocoon around you like a nice gentle weighted blanket, covering you fully and easily so you can lightly breathe. And the more that you breathe in relaxation, you also breathe out the last of your tension. You are so surprised, so wonderfully surprised of the power of your own imagination. And this thought itself drags you deeper and deeper, so gently down into trance. Almost as though you are slide on an infinite slide down, the ones that you used to enjoy as a kid, but just keeps taking you down and down to a new level of relaxation, a new level of calm. And as you're on this nice, relaxing slide down, you're starting to notice that you're reflecting on your life, reflecting on the person that you'd like to be, your true values, your purpose in life is starting to shine through. Maybe it's flashing before you like visions, or maybe it's like an emotional feel at the back of your head. Or perhaps it's like being written in the stars in front of you. No matter what it looks like or feels like, you experience that now. Your purpose in life is becoming very clear. What brings meaning to your life is becoming even more clear. And it's this wonderful, insightful feeling that pulls you even deeper down, almost towards the core of who you are, as if you are on a journey to meet your true, authentic self. And you can start to see the bottom of the slide now, knowing that at the bottom of this slide, you are going to meet your authentic self, whatever that means to you. 4, sliding, 3, sliding even deeper, 2, almost at the bottom of relaxation, and 1 off of the slide, and in front of you stands your authentic self. Take a moment to really materialize that authentic self in front of you, using every resource of imagination that you have. You breathe life into this vision. This authentic self has a very important message for you. So be quiet for a moment or two and listen very carefully to what you have to say. Very good. Now, in a moment or two, I'm going to bring you back up, but first, thank your authentic self for this wisdom that they've given you, this really powerful knowledge that you will keep in mind for the rest of the day, for the rest of the week, knowing that this reveal is very important and has a lot of deeper meaning, because this is really you talking to your subconscious self, however silly or wonderful that might be. Now 5, coming out of hypnosis. 4, back into the room. 3, move those fingers and toes. 2, and 1, eyes open, feeling calm and relaxed. If you want to know why this hypnosis recording worked, there's a few different factors. Number 1, you're here on your own volition. You chose to click this video, so mentally you were prepared to do this. I gave you some background information about my credentials, so hopefully that built a bit of rapport. 3, you have a powerful imagination. Sometimes it's really great to exercise it for our own benefits. Leave in the comments below if you enjoyed that experience, and feel free to reach out if you have any suggestions or comments. If you'd like to book a hypnosis session or psychotherapy session with me, Jo Dinsdale, take a look at multitherapy.co. Feel free to join my membership on YouTube to support the channel, or give it a little subscribe and a thumbs up. Thank you and take care. Multi goodbyes.